Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to use my Dreo ChefMaker to cook an entire chicken. Let me show you how I did it. Alright, to start out we need to get our chicken prepped and ready. So I'm just going to unwrap it here. Okay, so this chicken did come with the neck on it and I don't need the neck. We're going to spatchcock this chicken, which just means cutting out the spine and laying it flat. So I'm just going to kind of cut along the backbone here. And same on the other side. And take the neck out as well. Now we're gonna flip the chicken over and kind of open it up and break the breastbone like that so that it lays flat. So for my marinade, I'm gonna do a cup of orange juice, and 3 cups of purified water. Then I'm going to add in 2/3 cup of sugar. I'm just going to give this a good mix. And then in goes our chicken. And I'm just going to top it off with a little more orange juice. And a little more water. So I'm basically doubling the marinade recipe is what I'm doing. We'll just add in a little more sugar. And honestly, I think I'm going to flip this over so that the top gets marinated. There we go. Now it's going to sit right. Perfect. So we're going to leave this marinating in the fridge for at least 2 hours. All right, now it is time to make our butter for our chicken. So I've had this butter stick sitting out for a while so that it's now room temperature. It's just gonna be easier to work with. I'm just gonna cut it in half here so it fits in my bowl. To this, I'm adding a teaspoon of rosemary, about a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then about 3 cloves worth of garlic. Minced garlic, I should say. And then also the zest of a cleaned orange. So now I'm just going to kind of mix this all together. Alright, we're going to set that to the side because it is time to get our chicken out of our marinade. And I'm actually going to put on gloves for this because I don't really want to touch it. Alright, so we're going to remove our chicken from our bowl. Okay, so now comes the kind of tricky part of getting under the skin so that we can put our butter mixture under the skin to help it brown and taste delicious. So I'm just going to kind of push it around once I get it in there. All right, I'm gonna go microwave the last of my butter. All right, I microwaved my butter for about 30 seconds. And now we're just gonna brush it all over the chicken. This will help really crisp up that skin and turn it that golden brown that we're looking for. I'm gonna flip it. And use what's left to brush the underside, just to help flavor everything. All right, let's flip it back over here. And we are supposed to stick our probe right into the middle of the thigh, like that. And then we're gonna place our entire chicken into the basket. And then I need to insert my probe correctly, like that. And then we're just gonna put it into our Dreo, find chef mode, go to poultry, and go down to whole chicken, whole chicken. And it's gonna take 45 minutes to an hour and 5 minutes. The probe will tell us when it's done. It says cut the chicken open from the backbone, which we did. Okay, then step 2, we got the probe in. We put the skin side up, and we're ready to go. So estimated time is 55 minutes. It's gonna do everything for us. I really like the Dreo because it has a light so I can kind of watch it as it cooks. And that is probably the easiest whole chicken I've ever made if this works well. So let's see. All right, it looks like our chicken is done. Oh, it got a little dark on the top.
Sure did.
And it got pretty dark, kind of browned it, but I had a bigger chicken than I think the recipe called for. All right, we're gonna remove our probe, thank you. Remove our probe. See if we can get this out of here. I don't really know how to get it out. So it definitely got really dark on the top. I'm wondering if that's just because I had a larger chicken, but it smells really good. It seems really juicy. So we'll see if this is too hot to pull. Oh yeah, it's just falling apart. Yum. So there you have it. It is done. It smells delicious. We did a little taste test and it tastes great. I may just keep a better eye on it next time just so that it doesn't scorch the top quite so much, but we'll still eat it. And that was the easiest whole chicken I've ever cooked. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.